Okay, so welcome to Foxtecc, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can take a long scrolling screenshot on your iPad. This can be incredibly useful when you want to capture an entire web page or a long document in one shot. So let's dive into the steps to make this happen. Firstly, let's cover the basics. You probably already know how to take a standard screenshot on your iPad by pressing the power button and the volume up button at the very same time. And you can also use a keyboard shortcut, or if you have the Apple Pencil, you can do that as well. However, when it comes to taking a long and so-called scrolling screenshot, there's a specific process you need to follow, and it only works within the Safari web browser. So to get started, open up Safari and navigate to the web page you want to capture. It's important to ensure that the web page is long enough to make the scrolling screenshot worthwhile. I mean, it's possible to do it anyway, but make sure to find like a longer article or something. Once you're on the desired web page, just take a screenshot as you normally would by pressing the power buttons or any other method. And after taking the screenshot, you'll see a preview of the screenshot up here in the bottom left corner, and you don't let it go, but just tap on it. So you open up the full editing interface, and at the top of this page, you'll see two options, screen and full page. The screen option captures only the visible portion of your screen, just like a regular screenshot. But for a long scrolling screenshot, select the full page option on the right. Choosing the full page option will capture the entire length of the web page, allowing you to save a comprehensive screenshot of everything from top to bottom. This feature is especially useful for saving articles, blogs, or whatever it is, that wouldn't fit on a screen, so you wouldn't be able to capture it right away with one screenshot. So once you have selected the full page option, you can further edit the screenshot if you want to, but if you're happy about it, you have two options for saving it. You can save the screenshot as a photo, which will be stored in your Photos app, or you can decide to go with a PDF, which can be saved in the Files app instead. So there's all there is to it. Taking a long screenshot on your iPad is a pretty easy process, so there isn't much to talk about, but I hope I explained all the steps properly to you. If I did, or if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. See you guys later in the future.